So it's widely known, Steve, women truly care about what is on their feet.
Sure.
Definitely. And apparently they also care about what is on their man's feet.
Get this, men's footwear brand Allen Edmonds did a survey and found that 64% of women judge a man's fashion sense based on his shoes.
This is intense.
So fellas, listen up. This fall, it is all about the boot. Here to help the men get it right, we welcome Mall of America trend expert Sarah Rogers.
Hi, Sarah.
Hi, guys.
Okay, I can hear all the clicking of men's Match.com profile pictures right now because it's being changed to a photo of their footwear, don't you think?
Yes, yes. I didn't know that number, that statistic, but I have heard from back in the day. Grandma used to say you can always tell a lot about a guy by his shoes.
You got a good grandma.
Pulls it all together, or it like kills the outfit.
Yeah.
So, oh, well, that doesn't work
And
anymore.
polishing is key, guys. Make sure you're polishing your shoes and boots.
So Daniel,
Next, fellas, if you're out there, get ready to feel less handsome than you feel right now. Here's Idasa. I mean, there you go.
He's wearing what's called the Jodhpur boot.
okay.
And it does take its inspiration from a riding boot. You can see it's characterized by that buckle and strap detail, a little bit of rounded toe.
Oh, I like those too.
And a shorter heel. This is in a color they call camel. And I found those at the Aldo store.
Those look almost a little bit gray too, like little gray
Yeah, you're
undertones.
right.
So that, I feel like that's another neutral that would mix with a lot of different things.
Yes, it really is a color, and that's why I partnered the gray turtleneck. I found that at the All Raven, and then gave him the distressed jeans, playing up the light tones that I'm seeing. I found those at the Armani Exchange store.
Well, not every man can pull off a turtleneck.
Well, is the
Well,
turtleneck
and this
back?
man
Because
can.
this was very, he could pull off, frankly, whatever he wanted to
that's
pull
true.
off. It's fine. But is the turtleneck sweater back for fellas?
Big time,
Really?
big
I
time.
used to love me a good turtleneck sweater. Oh my
And
gosh, in high school?
It's time to revisit it. It's
Yeah.
a big deal for women and for guys for fall. So if you like the look for yourself, you're going to find that they are in store.
This
so.
is a great look. Thanks, Idasa. You look great. Thank you.
Isn't that great? That's
We'll
one of
hang
the
out
sexiest
sometime.
boots.
All right.
What, really?
Just,
And
I feel
then-
like I'd be cooler by proxy just hanging
Just
out with
hanging out
him,
with him?
rocking the shades.
You'd be the
It just
wingman.
all works.
By the way, that particular boot looks best with a slimmer or a straighter leg.
Oh, good.
So
Okay.
kind of
Good
keep
to know.
I
that
feel
in
like we
mind.
should all be doing anyways right now. You don't have to go total skinny, just sort of go straight. Go
Slim.
slim.
It is the more modern look. So
All right, finally we've got Andrew rounding it out
Hi,
for
Andrew.
us. And
Oh
look
my
at
gosh,
this little
this looks
jet
great.
black, but oh, it's got a little wingtip detail to it.
That's right. And they call this the brogue style boot, which is a European term, aka wingtip inspired.
Yeah.
And for that reason, it can be worn with everything from a tailored suit to a skinny jean like these from the Cotton On store.
Right.
But I found these boots, by the way, at DSW. But they are sleek, and that would be the tip, too, to make sure the sleekness of your boot matches if you're wearing it with a suit. I didn't have any of the guys wear a suit because guys know they have to have it tailored.
Yeah.
And of course, we're going to tailor it for
Right.
just for this moment. But that would be the tip to kind of keep in mind. But you could see a straight leg pant just falling right over the top
yeah.
of that, and
Yeah.
it would kind of look like a
It
wingtip
would,
shoe.
yep.
Yeah, I like the vest with the tie, too.
Oh,
This is good.
Isn't
It's
that
a good
fun?
blend.
I found
yeah.
that vest at Sears, and then the red
course you
plaid check shirt.
shop
I
at the
found
same
that at
Sears.
PR Raven. And this shirt's from Forever 21, and the ties from Sears too. Skinny tie and the black, the solid ties are pretty popular right now.
Andrew, you look great. Thank you so much. Thanks for
Nice
coming to hang
job.
out, Sarah. Nice work.
Oh, fun.
Thanks for bringing
Thank
the handsome
you.
men. We like that. You can find all the details on all these outfits, including prices, at TwinCitiesLive.com. Just click on fashion.
Hey, next up, Emily and I try our ninja